Hi amigos, we're back again. Hold on, let me... Yeah. Wow, okay. Time to test this ASMR. Oh my god, I don't like how cold the Dr. Pepper is. Alright, I'm just gonna pour this in. It's just... Oh shoot. You can see how the ramen is. And we're gonna be eating. And this thing is already empty, so yeah. Wow. This is time for a meal feed. Beep, 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 beep. Alright. Hold on. Alright, now that we're ready for our food feast, Alright, and now that we're ready for our food feast, it's time to eat! Alright, I'm sorry for saying that. Alright. Oh no, my ramen! Oh well. Tasty. Usually I add a lemon here in the ramen. Usually I add the lemon, but there's no lemon. Where's the lemon go? Alright, time to hear the Dr. Pepper. Damn, it's cold. Oh well. This has been the long ASMR ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, my damn hand. Bye.